Hello there, Scott with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh. One of our new Barletta Cabrio 22UCs, full Tri-Toon with a 200 on the back. That's on the ground now. This is their freshly redesigned Cabrio. A couple little tweaks to it, a little bit new fencing on the side, new helm. Pretty stylish. You'll see the helm when we get up in the boat. Of course, with all Barlettas, you get a power bimini, well featured. Nice extended rear deck. This one is their lounger. Like I said, it's the UC. And nice 200 with a stainless steel prop. Nice 4-step ladder getting up in here. Like I said, you got the ultra lounger here. And their new helm, which is raised. Kind of takes a little bit of styling from their Corsa and Lusso series. This particular boat we do have equipped with the Simrad. Boat is rated for 12 people. Does have a wireless charging pad built in there. Also a lockable glove box down below. And of course with Barletta, you do have the pull-out dog tray and the doggy dock view on both front and side gates. USB ports up in the corner. Very popular layout. This boat is available. We do have other colors and options available as well, so we're always happy to assist. Like I said, this is their ultra lounger, so again, you can lounge facing backwards, lay this all the way into a bed, lounge facing forward, lots of options. There you have it. If you'd like some more information, please give us a call.